Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is Alex from Techrific, and today you can see that right in front of us we have the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now I know it's been a long time that Samsung has released this phone, but I was like, hey, the iPhone 16s are coming out very shortly, and you know, the S24 has been out for some time. I've never done a video particularly on it. So let's do an unboxing. Let's do a day in the life later on this week and see if it could still hold up against the new Pixel 9s as well as the iPhone 16s. So if you're looking forward to this video, please make sure to smash that like button so I know that you guys would like me to keep pumping the same sort of content. And so we're just going to turn over this S24 Ultra. You can see that inside we have that USB cable, the quick start guide, as well as the S24 Ultra itself and the S Pen. Now today I got the titanium black S24 Ultra in the 256GB configuration. And so here at the back we have these usual Samsung pull tabs. Let's pull the first one at the top. Ooh, that one's pretty sticky, nice. And then the bottom one. Beautiful. And so we're just going to set those aside, and the moment has come to unbox the S24 Ultra. Beautiful, and there is the phone. Now every single time I unbox one of these phones, I am just so happy. Like, if you appreciate tech, you know how this feels. Now, one thing I will say, over the years, these phone boxes have started to get super thin. Do you guys miss having like earphones and the USB block inside of the phone box? Personally, I think it's pretty sweet, but it does make sense in terms of cost and, you know, just reducing the carbon emission. And so here at the bottom of the S24 Ultra, we have the pull tab right over here that we could pull this phone out, and surprisingly it feels very lightweight for a 6.8-inch device. Now I am not used to using, you know, the S lineup of Galaxies. It's been a super long time I've actually held one in my hand, and so I'm looking forward to seeing how it holds up. You know, it's a very powerful phone. Now, what is going on here? There is literally nothing else inside the box. Oh, there you go. It is right back here. So I thought I was tripping out, but inside the top portion of the box, we do have right in here every single thing that we would need. So, you know, the user manual, the SIM card ejection tool, as well as that USB cable, but I will pull it out because we'd like to keep it nice and packaged, and we'd also not like to spend $1,900 on a phone. So this is going straight back to the store once we're done with this video. And so the moment that we've all been waiting for, the peeling off of the S24 Ultra itself. And how beautiful is that, guys? So you can see that we have that 6.8-inch display for the S24 Ultra. Straight out of the box, it's really giving me Note 9 Plus vibes. Years ago when the Galaxy had first come out, I remember using them, and overall it just brings back a lot of memories. Now, it being the titanium black color, you could surely guess that it has that titanium back finish. At the back we have a beautiful camera panel. Now each camera cutout is individual, so you can see that they do protrude out very much, and you know, you just have that flash and just the titanium going all around, which is pretty nice. The framing around the camera lenses does for sure look nice and silver glossy, and on the side over here on the right side we have our volume up, volume down, as well as our power side button, however you'd like to call it. Over here we have absolutely nothing. Now I'm so grateful that the S24 Ultra does not come with that annoying Bixby button anymore. At the top we have what seems to be microphones, and at the bottom obviously we are going to have that S Pen right over here, so you click that right out and become nice, creative, and stylish. But we're gonna check more on that later on. As well as at the bottom you have some speaker as well as some microphone jacks and that USB Type-C, we love to see it, and that SIM card slot. And so we're just gonna power up the device by hitting that side button, and there you go. There is the S24 Ultra startup screen. And so you can see that very nice 120 hertz Pro Motion, well, that's what Apple calls it, technology right over here. The screen looks very bright, very vivid. I do certainly like it. So we're just gonna run through the quick setup process and I will catch you guys once it's all set up. And so that is very interesting. I just put in my Wi-Fi network and for some reason I cannot get past the mobile network setup. So it seems like you do need to have a SIM card inserted into the phone to continue. I'm not quite sure how that works, so I'm gonna pause the recording, put a SIM card in there and continue with the recording. And so here we are, the phone is fully done setting up and this is the S24 Ultra. Now I had a very old SIM card that was lying around in my stuff, but yeah, this is the S24 Ultra. I mean, overall it is super smooth, it looks pretty nice, and I can't wait to test out all the features. And one thing that people might be wondering is what software is running straight out of the box. And so if I scroll down into About Phone, you can see that it is the S24 Ultra with Android version 14, One UI 6.1. And so that is what is going on. Android 14 is right in there, and I can't wait to see how this phone holds up. It's been so long that I haven't been on Samsung. This is the camera right over here, like looks pretty sweet. I'm just gonna take a picture of this flower, this fake plant that I'm using. It has that 8K video out of the box right over here at 30 frames per second. So this is what a little video looks like, just a little sample. Man, it looks beautiful. Anyways, I can't wait to show you guys everything with the S24 Ultra, see how the battery holds up, the AI features, as well as the S Pen. You could see that little animation once I pull that up straight out of the box, and it shows me, you know, I could smart select that new AI feature to see what's going on. If I click that, I could use the S Pen to text, which is pretty sweet. It has some actions like taking a photo if you click that button, and you know, so many other cool things. And this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Pretty smooth, pretty sweet. Let's test out that picture. So right over here, this is what my setup is looking like. And so if I go onto the photo mode, I do a single press, you see it snaps that photo. I could scroll into that. If I'd like to mark up the image as an example, I could come down here, I could draw, I could, you know, do something cool like that. I mean, this is pretty cool. I can't wait to see what everything entails. And yeah, that is the S24 Ultra. First impressions straight out of the box, it is a Samsung flagship phone. It is an absolute beast. It looks nice. It is heating up pretty quickly. That's probably because I have some stuff installing, but there it is. I love it, but stay tuned for my day in the life video where I share my honest review on everything and how the phone holds up. If you're interested in seeing how the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL hold up in my day, make sure to go check out that video that's linked right up here on the top right. I've also picked up a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case designed for Samsung, and the video is going to be linked at the top right over here, so make sure to go check out that unboxing and first impressions, as well as the Galaxy Buds FE video that I will be doing an unboxing and first impressions, as well as using them later on in my day in the life. And so it's been Alex from Techrific with the Samsung ecosystem. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, where I try to keep you guys updated with what's going on in my tech journey on the daily. At Techrific it is. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.